we need to talk. Now, this video is going to be a little bit different. It's more of a behind the scenes update. Something I felt was long overdue. But before we get into anything, I first need a coffee. If you've been following me for a while, you probably noticed the variety of projects on this channel, from woodworking to DIY projects to PC modding. And to be honest, that variety was intentional. I've always been drawn to creating things that you just can't go out and buy, whether it's a custom piece of furniture or a theme PC. Now recently, a lot of the content was focused around PC modding, and I loved it. If I had unlimited access to PC components, I'd probably go all in on it. But as you know, PC components are expensive, and to create that kind of content consistently isn't an option right now. So that brings me to the future of this channel. Now, to bring some of the weird and unique PC projects that I've been dreaming of to life, I first need to upgrade my workshop. And that means to get some of the old tools back online, like my CNC router, and to optimize a little bit of this space. Like getting dedicated spaces for some of the tools that have been sitting on the floor for a while, so I can actually have the ability to create the things that I've been dreaming of. Now I know some of you are here for woodworking projects, some of you are here for DIY stuff, and others are here for PC modding. And all of that is definitely going to stay. But moving forward, I think this channel is going to be more clearly focused around making. Think of it as a maker channel, where I try to create unique, high detailed custom things, whatever form that's going to take. Now, whether it's making a PC case out of a live edge slab, a new storage solution, or something that I came up with at 2 o'clock in the morning, I want this channel to be a place where I can bring all of those ideas to life, and I want to bring you along for the ride. And by the way, I'm definitely turning this into a PC case. Now, to help make it happen, I've set up a Patreon. Now, if you like the content and you want to support the channel directly, that's a great way to do it. I'll have some behind the scenes content, some project previews, and some other extras for all of the members. Now, I truly appreciate any support. Just by sharing this channel helps a lot. So yeah, this video was different, but I wanted to be open for where I'm heading. If you're into building, modding, optimizing, or just making awesome stuff, I'll hope you stick around. And if you're new here, welcome. Things are about to get fun.